Matthew 9. This is an important one. Let's read it carefully. And Jesus went out and departed from the temple, and his disciples came to him to show him the buildings of the temple. And Jesus said unto them, See ye not all these things? Verily I say unto you, there shall not be left here one stone upon another that shall not be thrown down. And as he sat upon the Mount of Olives, the disciples came unto him privately, saying, Tell us, when shall these things be? Look at the question. And what shall be the sign of thy coming? Two things. When shall these things be, and when shall be the sign of their coming? And of the end of the world, very specific questions. He answers them. Let's see. How do we know when the end is coming? I can tell you, it's not the tsunami. It's not the earthquake. It's not North Korea getting nuclear weapons. Those don't have a say in determining when this is going to happen. He answers it. Let's see. And Jesus answered and said to them, Take heed that no man deceive you. Don't let anyone deceive you and tell you it's the earthquake or the tsunami. For many shall come in my name, saying, I am Christ, and shall deceive many. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. Don't let them trouble you. Okay. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in divers places. We see them happening. All these are the beginning of sorrows. Then they shall deliver you up to be afflicted, and shall kill you, and ye shall be hated of all nations for my name's sake. And then shall many be offended, and shall betray one another, and shall hate one another. And many false prophets shall rise, and shall deceive many. And because iniquity shall abound, the love of many shall wax cold. But he that shall endure unto the end, the same shall be saved. He's not answered the question. He's told us what will happen, that we should not be really worried about, because they don't determine anything. He's going to answer the question. How do we know? What does everything hang on? And this gospel of the kingdom shall be preached in all the world for a witness unto all nations, and then shall the end come. When the Hebrew people do the assignment that they're given to bring heaven to earth, and then to evangelize the world, to be priest and bring the other nations to Yah, he says that will bring the coming of the world to come. He did not hang it on a natural disaster. He hanged it on Yah's original motivation, his original intent, his original idea. When this message is preached as a witness, we have proof that it works. Then we fulfilled his original intent in Genesis. Then the end shall come. This is the message from Genesis all the way to here. Anything that goes against, contrary to this, we have a problem. That is why you've always asked, I've always said, what is the message?